What's up, my fitness family? Today I'm going to be sharing with you the most efficient workout at home. So this is a 15-minute workout that you can do at home, and let me tell you, you better make sure you warm up, get ready before you get started, because it's a breath taker. All right? So my name is Brent Kasmer. This is BKPT. If you have not yet subscribed, definitely subscribe. Mash that notification bell. That way you're notified as all the newest content's coming out, because I want to make sure that you're up to date with the most efficient workouts, the most efficient meal planning, how to take care of your body, and the list goes on. So if you want the details on the 7-figure body blueprint, definitely jump onto my website, BrentKasmer.com. I'll share it with you there. Just say work with Brent, and that way you're not wasting your time twiddling your thumbs anymore. All right, are you ready to get started? Yeah, Brent. I'm just kidding, man. So, all right, we're gonna get started. So we're gonna start off. If you haven't seen like a dynamic warm-up, dynamic stretching, definitely check out that video as well, because dynamic stretching is how you want to get warmed up to get ready to go work out. And then static stretching would be done after the workout. So I got videos out there for all of those as well. That way you stay injury-free, because that is the most important thing. So we're gonna start off with some Renegade Rows. Renegade Rows are fantastic. So we're gonna do 5 push-ups in between every row. So 1, 2, 5, row, 2, 3, 4, 5, row. So we're gonna do 8 rows, which gives us 40 push-ups. So if you need to do less push-ups than that, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't do 5. If you need to do more than that, then do more than 5. So we're going to do 8 reps of the Renegade Rows. Keep that back flat. So we're going to go right from Renegade Rows to a side jackknife. We're going to do 20 per side here. So side jackknife, laying on your cheek, coming up, hitting those feet. So if you see, you're at a little bit of an angle. 20, switching the sides. So for this workout, we're going to be using a kettlebell. If you don't have a kettlebell, it's okay. You can still use dumbbells. 20, right to 50 mountain climbers. All right? 50 mountain climbers. I like using these dumbbells. You want to make sure you keep your shoulders right over top of those hands. Woo! All right. So we got mountain climbers. And then we're going to go right into, holy smokes, don't say it, the frog hops. All right. So we're going to go 10 each way. What's that mean? So I go forward and backward. So I'm going to hold some dumbbells up in front of me. You can hold 1, you can hold 2. You don't need to hold any. So you're just staying low. Forward and back is 1. We're doing 10. 3, 4. All right. So that was round 1. We're going to do 3 rounds. All right? So right back into those Renegade Rows. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull. Pull. All right. Right into those side jackknives. All right. We are moving and a grooving, folks. So side jackknives. Same thing on your hip. Arms out 45 degrees. 19, 20. Those are fantastic. Oh man, I forgot to start my watch. Start HIIT training. So if you haven't started your watch, make sure you get it started, because the workout doesn't count. 10. All right. Right to mountain climbers. All right. Right to those frog hops. 10 each way. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 9, 10. Woo! All right. One more round. All we go. 5, row. 1. All right. Side jackknives. Okay, remember on the cheek. It doesn't work that good on your hip, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. Oh. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. Holy abs. All right. I'll show you a little side angle of these mountain climbers. So you can see kind of where your knees will go to. You want your knees about to your hips. So it's here, planted, hands over your shoulders. Woohoo! Yes. No. We're not done yet. Frog hops. So then this will be the first half of the workout, which put us at that 7-minute mark. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1. Oh, the crowd goes wild. I'll tell you our next exercises. So we got kettlebell swings, 20 of them, 10 single leg RDLs per leg. We've got 5 shoulder presses and 10 upright rows. We can get busy with 1 kettlebell for this whole time. Obviously, if you need to, you can jump in between weights. I just gonna use this 60-pounder here and see what I can do. If I can't do it, guess what? I'll grab a lighter weight. So it's gonna be 20 kettle swings, 10 single leg RDLs. So I'll use this little foam roller. So if you're gonna hold it in your right hand, you're gonna keep your right foot planted on the ground. I use this just for stability. It's good for balance too. Like if you want to, you don't need one, but I'm afraid I'll fall over right now. So for video purposes, I'm gonna use a foam roller. But you can use a post, railing, whatever. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got.
7 minutes.
Yeah. All right.
7 minutes.
9 and 10. So if you noticed in this workout, that's why it's super efficient. I mean, we got calves all the way, quads, hamstrings, chest, back, shoulders, all of it. Abs. 4. Trying to keep that back straight, pushing that butt back. 9 and 10. All right, here we go, other side. So same leg, got my left foot planted. 1. Pushing that butt back. And 10. All right, here comes the mother load. Let's see what we got here. So taking the kettlebell up onto my wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, my watch is confused. It's thinking it needs me to do something. Woo! 3. All right, good. Now we're gonna do the 3-finger grip. 1, 2, 3. 20. Come on. Now get those hips popping. Squeeze your butt. 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. All right. Right leg, right hand. Foam roller beside you. Come on. 10, 9, 8. Squeeze that glute. 1. Oh, dang. 9, 8, and oh, you know what follows after that, right? We got our shoulder presses. 5 each arm. Come on. It's always about getting in and out of your exercises properly. Resting that on my shoulder. Getting it up there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5. Oh man, upright row. Just picking it up, nice tight back. Picking it up. Good okay grip. What's an okay grip? Just like I showed you. Good control. Elbows high. All right, third round. Let's do this. Good. All right. I used to be really out of shape, so I started making a lot of videos. Oh man. And 10. 5 shoulder presses. Here we go. So start with that arm. Woo, baby. Yes. You did it. I did it. We survived. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Most efficient at-home workout. It's a 15-minute workout that you could do at home or anywhere. So hopefully you guys liked it. Like I said, Brent Kasmer PT. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe. Mash that notification bell. That way you're notified as all the new stuff comes out. And all right, see you in the next episode.